Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Sequence clues can crack this fast. Watch how amino acid similarities reveal the enzyme's evolutionary history, and we can lock the right conclusion quickly. Start with what the figure shows, portions of amino acid sequences from bacteria, yeast, corn, horses, and sheep. When multiple organisms share matching sequence regions, that signals real similarity, not randomness. Next, connect that similarity to evolution. Shared amino acid patterns across very different organisms usually mean molecular homology, so these dehydrogenase enzymes most likely descended from the same ancestral prokaryotic enzyme. That also knocks out the bad ideas. The sequences are similar enough to support relatedness, and amino acid comparisons absolutely can support evolutionary conclusions here. Well done! Option B! Scan now. Don't rush past sequence evidence. Trust the given similarities and check that conserved regions point to common ancestry.